Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable site-suggested ads based on your browsing activity in Google Chrome. This updated setting helps personalize the ads you see, making them more relevant to your interests and the websites you visit. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version, so all the settings match what you see on screen. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This opens the main menu where all your browser options are stored. From the menu, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings. This is where you can control everything from your privacy to your browsing experience. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section focuses on how your data is managed while you browse the web. Next, tap on Ad Privacy. Here, Google gives you control over how ads are personalized based on your activity. Now select Site-Suggested Ads. This option allows websites to suggest ads based on what you're doing on their pages, giving you a more tailored experience. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch. Turn it on to enable site-suggested ads.